Resilience of the wild. Albinism, in its simplest form, is the absence of color. It's a genetic condition that prevents the body from producing melanin, the pigment responsible for skin, hair, and eye color. In humans and animals alike, it manifests as a striking lack of pigmentation, resulting in pale skin, white or very light hair, and often pink or red eyes. This lack of melanin, while visually stunning, comes with challenges. Albino animals are more susceptible to sunburn and skin cancer, as their bodies lack the natural protection melanin provides. Their eyesight can also be affected, making it difficult to hunt or avoid predators. Yet, despite these obstacles, albino animals persist, carving out their own niches in the intricate tapestry of life. The white tiger, a creature of myth and legend, embodies the allure and vulnerability of albinism. With its ghostly white coat and piercing blue eyes, it's a sight to behold, a symbol of power and rarity. But this beauty comes at a cost. In the dense jungles of India, their lack of camouflage makes them conspicuous to prey and vulnerable to rivals. White tigers are not a separate subspecies of tiger, but rather a color variant of the Bengal tiger. Their unique coloration is caused by a recessive gene, meaning both parents must carry the gene for a white cub to be born. In the wild, their chances of survival are slim. They are often rejected by their mothers and struggle to hunt effectively. Antlers of ivory, hunted for myth. The albino deer, with its coat of purest white and eyes like polished amber, has captivated human imagination for centuries. In many cultures, they are seen as spiritual messengers, symbols of purity and good fortune. Yet this reverence has not always translated into protection. Albino deer, like their white tiger counterparts, face a unique set of challenges in the wild. Their lack of camouflage makes them easy targets for predators, especially in the first few months of life. They are also more susceptible to certain diseases and health issues, further reducing their chances of survival. Despite these challenges, albino deer continue to thrive in pockets across the globe, a testament to the adaptability and resilience of nature. Seems determined to swallow them whole. A fragile brilliance. Albino animals in all their ghostly beauty remind us of the fragility and wonder of life on Earth. They are a testament to the power of genetic diversity and the endless creativity of the natural world. Their existence, though often precarious, is a gift, a reminder that we share this planet with creatures both familiar and extraordinary. It is our responsibility to ensure their survival, to protect these rare wonders for generations to come. Their struggle for survival highlights the importance of conservation efforts and the need to protect biodiversity in all its forms. For in the survival of these unique creatures, we may find clues to our own resilience, our own ability to adapt and thrive in a changing world. As we marvel at these rare wonders, let us be inspired to take action, support conservation efforts, protect biodiversity, and ensure that the fragile brilliance of albino animals continues to shine for future generations. Please subscribe, like, and share our channel for more amazing content.